Alrighty, we're going for a ride, and as you can see, there's a smart car in my neighborhood. Alrighty guys, this is my first video on my 2006 ZZR 600, and you know what? I love it. Hold up. Well, I'm not sure if you know what state we are in, but we are in Florida, Boynton Beach, Florida, the south. They're gaining on us. Let's go, Frank, let's go. I don't know why that person's following me so close, but alright. And you can see a cop. Is he passing by? He's passing by. I mean, it's really nice in Florida riding the motorcycle because, like, there's no real big high traffic, and I see other people making these videos, and what I notice is that they're in, like, a city. Like, I don't understand. You can't go fast in a city. There's so many cars everywhere. As you can see, it's very fast. And even though I went past 60, I was already at 75. I noticed I was at 60. Alright, gonna get by here because this guy doesn't want to turn. Person behind me, put a person behind. And as you can see, that is my video. I'm going to show you the bike. I'm going to rev it a little, and then I'm gone. Very nice. Everything's stock though, what I like, other than this carbon fiber stuff, but I'm going to put some stuff into it. No worries.